Yorana, my name is Kayla Long and I'm a dancer at Rahiti Nui under the direction of Michelle Limon and Janice Manabe. For my costume, what I wanted to use was this Song of India. For my costume, we're gonna put it kind of like going up to like create textures, and just I love the colors of it too. What we have here, we have a lot of leaves because we use the leaves for filler and just to cover everything. Like here's the red tea leaf, and then we have palm leaf, which is gonna go kind of like up right here, like from your palm tree, your regular palm tree. And then for the accent, something to incorporate, we have my favorite flower, the gladiolas, and we have them in purple because that is the color of pareo that I'm using. And I only know about any of this, about KT Orchids, about all my dance things through my dance teachers, which I love them so much, especially the costume maker, the costume queen, Janice Manabe. She taught me everything I know, and me and my mom, we worked together to make these costumes. Okay, so it's the day of the competition and we finally made the headpiece, and we used all different kinds of leaves. We chose a bunch for different textures, and we incorporated a bunch of different colors of gladiolas and orchids for a pop of color. And we used the Song of India and even added some slight details like braiding the palm leaf right here. Me and my mom made this last night. We didn't have much difficulty because we've kind of done this style before, and we've seen it a lot done. So this is the finished product, and we're super happy, and we can't wait to go dance and represent our group.